Can you find someone on Facebook by picture? Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Let's see if you can find someone on Facebook by picture. There's no option to find someone on Facebook by picture. There is only search button located on top right corner of your screen. If you click on search button, you can find someone by searching their name. If you search up their name, their profile picture may appear. You can find someone from their profile picture on Facebook, but not simply by adding any picture. This is how to find someone on Facebook by picture. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time. Thank you for watching.